Hey guys, Blake here at Scoreboard Automotive. You guessed it, another locally owned family hometown business right here in Eureka, Missouri. Roofing Restoration Services of America. Eric Wiley's one of the owners. Now Eric's bought a couple trucks from us, so we felt the need that we should come down here and kind of tell you guys a little bit about what his business is about. It's right across the railroad tracks, as you can see here. The feed station's right over there. It's right off of Central Avenue. Super cool building. I mean, it's not your average little corporate office, you know, where you go in with all the fluorescent lights. It's actually like a Victorian looking old home, you know, kind of like Chicken-Ellie's we just left there, and they had an old saloon. So I love the nomenclature and the atmosphere that he's done here. It's super cool and it's different. So let's go inside and see if they're here. Come on. Eric? Hey man, how's it going?
Country.
What brought you to Eureka?
Moved here in 2012 and fell in love with Wildwood in the area, Rockwood School District.
Yeah, school district's awesome.
I got 3 kids that will go through Eureka High School.
Wow.
So that's what makes sense to move here as far as for the office.
And we know you're super busy because we just had a hailstorm last night, which is, wow, great.
It's very good.
Good bad news, right?
That's right.
You know, I was super excited whenever I got hail on my roof. I think my adjuster came out 62 times, and finally he's just like, fine, I'll give you a roof. You know? But everybody around me was getting roofs, so I was like, well, why shouldn't I? But
Right.
A lot of people don't know the damage that hail actually does to shingles.
Right.
And, you know, I learned a little bit about it, and tell me if I'm wrong, like the asphalt that's on, are old shingles asphalt, new ones aren't, or are they all still asphalt?
It just depends, but most of it is asphalt.
So yeah, when the hail hits those, it makes it crumble and fall off, and when you see those rocks in your gutters, that's from...
Correct. It'll knock the granules off the actual, the mat of the shingle. And then when the sun and the weather and everything else, it'll continue to grow and it'll eventually leak. So you're taking
that's what I was going to
a
get
30-year product, and now you're only going to get maybe 10, maybe 15 years out of it.
Really?
So.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, so who cares if some little rocks fall off the shingles? What's it going to hurt your house? But that is indeed what it does.
It will, for sure.
Wow.
Absolutely.
And a lot of people, you know, I know deductibles are always on people's minds and stuff, but considering the price of what roofs cost now,
Sure.
especially with architectural shingles and stuff like everybody's going to, it's really minimal compared to what you get.
It's a huge discount, you know, and we put on roofing systems and not just shingles, and you know, we put on, I'm a GAF master lead contractor. There's only 11 of them in the area out of thousands of different roofing contractors, whether they're local or whether they're not local. GAF supports us nationwide. We're a master lead contractor with them when we put on the entire system for GAF, which in the long term will give you a lot better warranty. Most standard warranties for roofers are 2 to 5 years. With the GAF system, I can give them a 10-year workmanship warranty. And if they really want the Cadillac version of the system, then we can go about 25 or 30 years. And that's workmanship warranty.
Wow.
So
There's probably one or two, like when I can't remember when I got my roof, it was probably 4 or 5 years ago. And I have a home over in the Legends, and one of the awesome builders that originally built that home in 2001 decided not to put tar paper down.
oh sure,
Yeah.
very common.
So that was great.
Here,
Yeah,
right.
super excited about that, right? I'm sure it's fine. But I was like, holy cow. So, you know, there are a lot of homeowners may even not have tar paper if they have an original roof and don't even know it. And, you know, tell me, does roofing help with heating and cooling at all?
Sure.
Or?
Absolutely, and most of them, you know, are not ventilated properly. So we'll analyze that, climb in the attic, make sure all the exhaust vents coming out of your bathrooms are stuffed out through the roof and not just pumping the hot air. That's the reason why you see leaks and stuff around there in the wintertime. But we'll, you know, we do attic inspections before we do any roof to make sure that it's all correct.
And it's not just stopping roofs. I mean, you guys do sidings, you do remodels and everything too. And
Yeah, roof, siding, and gutters is what we're specialized.
you make gutters on site then? I
Correct.
guess?
Yes,
That's
all
awesome.
seamless, 100%.
Wow. And then, like, what would a person do to know? Do you just come out and give a free inspection, or?
Absolutely, yeah, free inspections for sure. They just need to call us or go to, you know, Facebook or our website or.
Hey, you know, like when that first storm hit 4 or 5 years ago, and I just saw people getting roofs, and I was like, oh, maybe I should check to see if I need a roof. You know,
Right.
I didn't even know.
Right.
You know, I wasn't educated about it. So, I think that's a lot of it, and hopefully by doing our little hometown family and locally owned businesses here, we can get the word out. That's we have a guy here that loves Rockwood School District, moved his family here because of the town that we live in and how awesome it is, and we like to pay back people who do business with us and live in our community. So fantastic, man. Really appreciate you having us today.
Thank you.
And we'll send some people your way.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.